First, apply primer to the outside of the pipe and the inside of the coupling. Next, apply PVC glue over the primer on the outside of the pipe and the inside of the coupling. Insert the pipe into the coupling immediately and line up assembly marks before the glue sets. Continue this process until all sections are complete. Be sure the washdown sections are about 6 inches in from the wheels on each side. Following the directions, use the included hardware to attach your washdown system to your trailer. Connect hoses to both the washdown sections and the inlet Y shutoff assembly at the front of your trailer. Use included zip ties to fasten hoses and the inlet Y shutoff assembly to your trailer. Your washdown system is now ready to start protecting your boat, trailer, and brakes.